this is A. So we have A being equal to 2, B is equal to -8, and C is equal to 6. So A greater than 1, that's what they mean. So the first thing you're going to do in this situation is divide both sides by 2. Everything divided by 2. So you'll end up with x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So since we are completing squares, select the x's. So this will be the same as x squared minus 4x is equal to -3. So at this point, get b divided by 2, this step. Get b divided by 2 and square it. B is -4. So -4 divided by 2 and then square it. So you add 4 both sides of the equation. So x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to -3 plus 4. So this is a perfect square triangle. So to factor this, you just get x minus, you see this minus, b divided by 2, which is 2 squared, is equal to -3 plus 4 gives you 1. So at this point, guys, get the square root on both sides of the equation. So this is the same as x minus 2 being equal to the square root of 1 is plus or minus 1. So taking negative to the other side of the equation, it will become a positive. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus 1. So meaning your first value of x will be 2 plus 1, which gives you 3. And your next value of x will be 2 minus 1, which gives you 1. So x is 1, 2. Those are the solutions. All right, let's look at another example where we're given the value of a being greater than 1. Okay, so look at this example. I would collect like terms, right? Check this. So this is the same as 5x squared plus 10x being equal to 40. How I get 40? If this comes this side of the equation, it becomes 40. At this point, I want to get rid of this 5, right? So divide by 5 there, divide by 5, divide by 5, everything divide by 5. So you're going to end up with x squared plus 2x is equal to 8. Now, if you're completing squares, at this point, get b, divide by 2, and then square it. So b is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. So add it both sides of the equation. This is x squared plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then this side, this is a perfect square. You just get x plus half of this squared, and this would give me 9. So find the square root both sides of the equations, and this will give you x plus 1 being equal to plus or minus 3. Taking 1 the other side of the equation, you'll get x is equal to -1 plus or minus 3. And what that means is your first value of x is -1 plus 3, giving you 2. And your next value of x, which you can call x2, is -1 minus 3, giving you -4.